Welcome back to Luxury Car, where we bring you the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Motorhome, a remarkable blend of design, performance, and innovation. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome redefines luxury on wheels with its sleek exterior, combining functionality with sophisticated aesthetics. This camper van pushes the boundaries of what a motorhome can be, with Toyota's legendary craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. At first glance, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome stands out with its aerodynamic silhouette, featuring smooth lines that enhance both its style and efficiency. The bodywork is designed to minimize drag, ensuring a more fuel-efficient journey, whether you're on the highway or off-road. The vehicle's exterior reflects a commitment to performance while maintaining a luxurious appearance. The sleek, modern steep inside and front end features Toyota's signature grille design, seamlessly integrated with high-performance LED headlights. These sleek headlights not only provide superior visibility but also complement the overall sophisticated look of the motorhome. Moving along the sides, the motorhome boasts a clean, uninterrupted profile, with large, panoramic windows that offer expansive views and a sense of openness. These windows are not just for aesthetics, they're designed with the latest in UV protective technology, keeping the interior cool and shielded from harmful rays. The body is constructed using a combination of lightweight, durable materials, such as aluminum and carbon fiber, which allow for easy handling while ensuring robustness and long-term reliability. This focus on high-quality materials makes the Toyota Motorhome more resilient to wear and tear, providing owners with years of trouble-free use. The 2025 Toyota Motorhome's rear design is equally impressive, with an integrated spoiler that adds both style and function, aiding in airflow management for improved fuel efficiency. The rear also features a large, reinforced door for easy access to storage compartments, offering practical solutions for carrying essential gear on your travels. From the robust alloy wheels to the precise wheel arches, every detail of the vehicle is crafted to exude quality, giving it a confident, well-balanced stance on the road. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is engineered for those who demand the best. Powered by a hybrid engine system, it strikes the perfect balance between power and fuel economy, allowing drivers to travel further while reducing environmental impact. Toyota's hybrid technology has been honed over decades, providing exceptional performance in various driving conditions. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising along rugged trails, the Toyota Motorhome's handling is precise, smooth, and responsive. The suspension system is designed to provide optimal comfort, ensuring a smooth ride, even on uneven terrain. The vehicle's exterior is also equipped with a range of advanced safety features, from blind spot monitoring to adaptive cruise control, ensuring peace of mind as you embark on your adventures. Toyota's commitment to safety is evident in every aspect of the design, offering drivers and passengers a secure and enjoyable experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a statement of luxury, performance, and innovation. Its exterior design is a perfect blend of aesthetics, functionality, and cutting-edge technology, delivering both style and substance. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews as we continue to explore the future of luxury vehicles on Luxury Car.